There's a new sign-up bonus offer for the Marriott Boundless card from Chase that just became available. If you watch this channel, you may have seen some of our other videos, which I'll link below, talking about this card and how we use it to get a free night certificate every year from Marriott, how it can be upgraded to the Ritz-Carlton card after 1 year, and how we're able to use it to elevate our status with Marriott. So the offer is for 100,000 bonus points after you spend $3,000 on purchases in 3 months of having this card. And you also get a $150 statement credit after you make your first purchase. Now, the usual offer for this card, which has a $95 annual fee, is 3 free night certificates of 50,000 points each. Now, that may sound better, and it may sound like more, but if you don't have a trip planned or you're not sure when you'd be able to use those certificates, which are good for 1 year, this offer may be a better fit for you. I'm not sure how long this offer will last, but if you're thinking about the card, it may be a good time to consider this offer versus the 3 or sometimes even 5 free night certificates that is offered on this card. It's always best to weigh your options. Think about when you want to get the card, what your time frame is, and how you plan on using the welcome bonus, and make the best decision from there. I will put my referral link in the description below if you decide to sign up and if you want to support this channel. This is not an affiliate link and we don't earn any money from it, but we may get some points if you do sign up for the card using that link. Also, as I said, we have made a lot of other videos on Marriott, looking at status, free nights, how to earn and value points, and a whole bunch of room tours of Marriott properties that we've done. I'll link the playlist in the description below if you're interested. And if you find this content helpful, we'd love it if you would like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.